Miss Claudia, cutest girl ever with the cool hat. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yes.
With the
I'm
prettiest
feeling
smile.
good.
Look at that. Yes, you are. Got anything to tell me? How's your day?
My day is going to be great because of this. So that's good.
What's up, Debbie? Wait a minute. What's up, Debbie? Deb, how you doing? Looking all cute.
sweating.
You are sweating. You're doing work. You're doing work. I love it, girl. How you doing, girl? You good? Yeah, you look good. Nice and sweaty. Nice and sweaty. Hey, what's up, Laura? All glistening and gleaming. You look good, kid. You look good.